and welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City to show you this corner, modern, tropical house and lot for sale. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. So we have this corner property and it's multi-level. On the left side, dito sa other side of the property, facing south, and in front is facing west naman. So we have this multi-level modern home. So ibig sabihin ng multi-level, meron tayong split level dito for your another bedroom and your man cave. Ganon din with your 2 to 4 vehicle carport. And on the upper ground level, nandun naman yung mga common areas ninyo. Papasok tayo. Before we enter, by the way, in the left side, ito yung ramp ninyo going to your 4 vehicle carport. So before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate, you have your lush greeneries. So to add some welcoming vibe before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate. So from your gate on my left side, ito yung access ninyo going to your 2 to 4 vehicle carport. For the flooring, granito tiles with rough texture para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. And by the way, for this property, we also have your own solar panels. Meron na rin kayong inverters para mas, alam nyo na, no, energy efficient yung buong property. And itong inyong bifold gate para mas madali buksan. No? We also have your man cave and another bedroom pero mamaya na natin yung tignan. I really like itong kanilang flooring dito sa inyong outdoor space, which is travertine. Ang ganda ng texture. Non-skid, so hindi talaga madulas. We also have step lights installed. And immediately mararamdaman mo yung high-end vibe in this property. So again, this is a corner house. So we have this garden. Your landscape garden. Up to the south side of the property. Meron na rin kayong view nitong bedroom tunin nyo dito sa basement. So, lots of natural light in that area later. So, all throughout dito sa buong property, you have your landscape garden. You have this another access going to your swimming pool and your lanai. Lots of natural light in this property. No? Lots of glass panels installed all throughout the house. Kaya napakaaliwalas ng pakiramdam sa loob. Going back here, your elevated porch and main door. So upon reaching here dito sa inyong upper ground level, on my right side, you have this space para sa inyong koi pond. Yan. So you can imagine the koi pond, no, yung lagaslas ng water, very positive yung vibe before you enter dito sa inyong solid narrow wood door. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. So from your main door, you will be welcomed by your central part, no, or the middle part of this property, itong inyong atrium or your sunken garden. It allows lots of natural light dito sa inyong upper ground level, and it also improves the air circulation dito sa buong property because of this atrium. Well, ang ganda, no? And by the way, for the material used dito sa kanilang mga windows and sliding doors, these are high-grade PVC and tempered glass. Okay, so on my right side, ito yung inyong magiging living or receiving space. You can also notice for our flooring, lahat dito sa indoor ng inyong upper ground floor, solid narrow wood for the flooring. Napakaganda niyan, ano? It creates yung warm vibe in this property, no, because of the presence nitong inyong solid wood for the flooring. Ang ganda. And lots of natural light. Again, katulad nga ng sabi ko, no? Lots of natural light dito sa buong indoor because of the position, which is a corner property. Ganon din with our glass panels installed, which are floor to ceiling. So these are sliding doors and huge awning windows and fixed windows. So lahat na. Kaya napakaliwalas nung buong lugar na ito, no? And by the way, for the floor, for the ceiling, your cove ceiling design, your split type AC, which is ano na, no, high-end or heavy-duty. Mitsubishi yung kanilang brand na ginamit. And dito sa dulo, you have an access going to your, again, your lanay area and your swimming pool. So dito tayo dumaan kanina, no? Diyan. So this is the area going up, coming from your garden, your swimming pool, and itong L-shaped lanay area ninyo, which is also covered. So protected din kayo from outside elements, especially katulad ngayon, umuulan. For the flooring in this space, porcelain tiles with rough texture with wood grain design. Going back here dito sa loob ng property, tingnan natin yung other side. So ito yung inyong hallway, your main door, your stairs going down, your elevator, very convenient to use from basement up to the second level, your stairs going up, and ito na yung inyong magiging formal dining and kitchen area. Again, you have the view nung inyong sunken or your atrium. Ang ganda tignan, no? So talagang pinakagitna ito ng property or the focal point dito sa inyong common area. In this space, dito sa inyong formal dining area, it can easily fit your 10 or 12-seater dining table. You have your cove ceiling design, your AC already installed, and by the way, for this area, pwede nyo na rin i-enclose para hindi lumabas yung temperature nyo coming from your AC. Ganon din dun sa inyong living or receiving space. Adjacent dito sa inyong dining area is your main or showcase kitchen. You have your U-shaped counter for lots of food preparation space. You can also utilize this area as your breakfast nook. Kulang na lang yung inyong kitchen stools or your bar stools. For the kitchen counter, marble finish, ganon din with the backsplash. Lots of food preparation space. It also comes with your base cabinets. These are modular. Provision para sa inyong electric oven or your induction cook hub. Well, depende sa inyo, no? Again, soft close drawers and soft close cabinet for your utensils or other equipments dito sa inyong kitchen. Your under-mounted sink. And again, facing dito sa inyong huge windows. So, it improves your cross ventilation in this space. And you also have your ceiling fan. So, yeah, mas maganda yung cross ventilation so kapag nagluluto kayo. And you can also notice yung triangle method in this space, napakadaling kumilos, no? Coming from your oven, your dishwasher, or your under-mounted sink going to your 2 or 4 the refrigerator. So ito yung provision for that. You have your hanging cabinets as your pantry for your dry goods or canned goods. Additional counter. Electric outlets para sa inyong additional appliances. And again, rough texture in this space for your porcelain tiles para hindi madulas, no, kapag may pumatak or tumulo na any sauce or oil kapag nagluluto kayo. And what I like in this space, itong access going to your lanay area. So mas madali mag-serve ng food to your guests or your family. So you have your covered lanay, and ito yung kanilang magiging shower area or the toilet and bath in this space. Nandito sa likod yung pinaka shower enclosure. By the way, you also have your pipe-in speakers to set up the mood in this space. So coming from your lanay, if you have lots of visitors, heavy cooking, ayaw nyo maamoy dito sa loob, you have this space, your auxiliary or your dirty kitchen. So we have your L-shaped counter for the finished man-made quartz, under-mounted sink, the location of your additional refrigerator, and provision para sa inyong oven and microwave. You also have your hanging and base cabinets for additional storage. And another access going down dun sa inyong service area. And by the way, you have your split type AC. Again, high-end or heavy duty yung kanilang nilagay, industrial grade for your Mitsubishi air conditioner. So, napansin nyo yung access going down. So, ngayon bababa na tayo para mapakita sa inyo yun. But before that, we still have this bedroom, no? Dito sa upper ground level. So, if you have elderlies with you or well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gusto i-maximize itong space na ito. For this room, this is a corner room facing dito sa inyong 4-vehicle carport. Sa ibabaw ng 4-vehicle carport ninyo. Split type AC with your cove ceiling design with your ceiling fan and split type AC. Again, lots of natural light in this space. Your common toilet and bath. So, this toilet and bath is linked dito sa inyong living, kitchen, and your dining area. Okay, so mamaya natin tingnan to. Ayan, you have your shower space. Pinakita na ni Raymond. Alam nyo ba, no? Hindi lang aesthetically pleasing itong mga solid narrow wood for us, the flooring. It also improve the quality ng tulog ninyo during at night or any time of the day. So, may health benefits din, no? So, this is the toilet and bath which is linked dito sa inyong common area. So, we're done here dito sa inyong upper ground level. Baba naman tayo dun sa inyong lower ground. For the stairs, solid narrow pa din. You also have your step lights and handrails. So, upon reaching here dito sa inyong lower ground level, you still have your sunken garden or the atrium. Again, it allows lots of natural light in each area of this property. You still have your elevator, your storage room. So, kunyari man yung mga lumang gamit ninyo in this space. Currently, talagang may nakalagay dyan. So, this is your bedroom 2. For the bedroom 2, ito yung dinaanan natin kanina with the view coming from your upper ground dun sa inyong landscape garden. So, itong space na to as your air well. Again, natural light and proper ventilation. So, you can utilize this space as the gaming room or simply a guest room, no, for your guests. Covered ceiling design. The ensuite toilet and bath for this room. For the flooring, travertine, yung kanilang ginamit, napaka-eleganteng tignan. Your man-made quartz as your counter. Spacious na rin, no? For your preparation space. Under-mounted sink, huge mirror, shower with enclosure, and your water closet. So, napakalaki na rin itong bedroom na ito. And by the way, you have your mesh for your internet, your split-type AC, huge sliding doors again. So, may access kayo going out. Going back to your hallway. Your panoramic window facing dito sa inyong garden. And this door has an access going to your 4-vehicle carport. So, ayan. Currently, may mga nakapark na sasakyan, no? So, at least, you have the view. Alam nyo yung lalagay nyo sasakyan dyan. And this is space. You can utilize this area as your office or a man cave. You have your cove ceiling with your ceiling fan, split type AC. You still have your common toilet and bath. Again, your 4-vehicle carport with your granito tiles flooring. Ito yung inyong ramp. And in this space, nandito naman yung service area ninyo, which nandito yung inyong rooms para sa inyong staff with own or common toilet and bath and the laundry area. But currently, may mga tao dito ngayon, yung mga caretakers natin for this property. So unfortunately, hindi namin sa inyo may papakita. By the way, you have your inverter para sa inyong solar panels, which is installed doon sa inyong roof. So we're done here dito sa inyong lower ground. Akit naman tayo doon sa inyong second floor. Ganda ng steps nila in every staircase. Mababa lang, kaya very friendly sa mga kids and elderlies. Okay, ito yung inyong upper ground floor. Let's go up dun sa inyong private areas, yung mga bedrooms ninyo. Lots of natural light in this area coming from your fixed window dito sa facade ng inyong property. Here's the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with a suite toilet and bath each. And again, in this hallway, lots of natural light coming from your atrium. So, unahin natin itong inyong bedroom 3 or the master bed. Okay, so very spacious. Ito yung pinakamalaki, no, in terms of bedroom size. You also have your exposed beam finish for your ceiling with wood panels installed. Add some warm and cozy vibe in this space. Especially, this is your primary bedroom in this house. Okay. So, still, for the flooring, ganun pa rin, no? Solid narrow wood. The location of your king-size bed or your custom-sized bed. You also have your ceiling fan. Napakasimple lang yan, pero it improves yung cross-ventilation sa loob ng bahay. Your split-type AC in this space. And you also have this another room, maybe as your anteroom or the waiting area. Lots of natural light coming from either side of the property, your balcony and your atrium. Again, high-grade PVC and tempered glass. Ang maganda rito sa mga high-grade PVC as your frame dito sa mga windows ninyo, ang ganda ng insulation in terms of temperature and yung noise reduction properties nung ganitong type of frame para sa inyong sliding doors. So ito yung inyong area, again, your waiting area with your split type AC. So tingnan natin itong inyong walk-in closet and your toilet and bath. Your walk-in closet, floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. Meron din dito. And you also have your split-type AC which has this enclosure para mas magandang tingnan, no? Yan. And in this space, ito na yung inyong master toilet and bath. You have your bathtub, shower enclosure, and your shower space, of course. Your under-mounted sink, wall-hung male urinal, and your Duravit water closet. So tawid tayo dito sa inyong hallway. Again, you have your elevator, indoor balcony facing dito sa inyong stairs. And you have your natural light coming from the facade which has your tempered glass. Ito yung inyong magiging bedroom 4. Laki rin ng mga bedrooms nila, no? The location of your bed frame. On my left side, ito yung inyong floor-to-ceiling cabinet. You still have your AC. Talagang mga personal na appliances, furnitures, and mga gamit nyo na lang yung dadali nyo in this property. Your ceiling fan. You also have your balcony. Ayan. Facing dito sa facade ng property. And your ensuite toilet and bath. Okay. So, labas tayo dito sa inyong hallway. And you have this another common area dito sa second floor, your family area, your ceiling fan. Again, you have your balcony. Again, lots of natural light in every corner of this house. So, yan, huge windows and sliding doors. Your atrium. So, this is your bedroom 5. The location of your bed frame. Sliding doors. Sliding door. Your ensuite toilet and bath. And your cabinet. Yeah, floor to ceiling. And on the other side, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 6, the last bedroom. Your toilet and bath. The area for your television set or your media wall. Have your balcony. The location of your bed frame. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern tropical home located here in Ayala Labang Village, Muntinlupa City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean. And this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.